Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in the hashtag Die Cut With Me Mondays, hosted by Pebbles over at Colita's Creations. She has an open collaboration going on. I will link her channel down below so you can check out all of the details. I decided to pull out my Tim Holtz Sig Zig Bigs die. This is the fresh brewed. We have the iced coffee cup as well as the hot. I had a lot of fun creating with this. These are the coffee cups, and this is the iced coffee. They are super cute. These are the paper pads that I used for my card bases. We have this Prima collection as well as the Paper Studio. I could not find my coffee stamps anywhere, so I ended up reorganizing all of my stamps, and I will have a video posted on that soon. I ended up using a thinking of you with the coffee, and I have this little sticker that says coffee every day. This card is complete. And this card I wanted to not put together until I found my coffee stamps, so I still have to stamp it and adhere it to the base. This is how it turned out. I made some extras to make some more quick cards with, and those are my projects for hashtag Die Cut With Me Mondays, hosted by Pebbles. Thank you so much, Pebbles, for hosting this open collaboration. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.